morning, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting Quest for Fluency, a gamified English language adventure, a module designed to transform traditional English language instruction into an engaging, interactive experience for grade 8 learners at the A2 CEFR level. Why gamification? In today's digital era, learners are naturally drawn into interactive and game-like experiences. So rather than fight that instinct, this module leverages it. Gamification, when thoughtfully implemented, can boost motivation, increase attention, and encourage active participation. As Dickey and Ryan's self-determination theory reminds us, intrinsic motivation driven by curiosity and challenge can make learning more meaningful and persistent. And that's exactly what this module is tapping into. Module overview. Quest for Fluency is an interactive driven adventure where students become language adventurers. We explore 4 themeland. First we have Grammar Galaxy, and second we have Vocab Volcano. And third land we have Reading Ridge. And for the last land they will travel into is the land of Conversation Cove. Each land focuses on specific skills and learning progress through quests and challenges to unlock new levels and rewards. Target learners and learning goals. Of course, this module is designed for graded learners at an E2 CEFR level. In a blended public school setting. It addressed their learning needs by focusing on vocabulary acquisition, grammar reinforcement, speaking confidence, reading and writing. And by the end of the module, students will be able to use everyday vocabulary in a context, apply basic grammar structure, participate in a short dialogues, comprehend and summarize reading texts, write short descriptive or narrative texts. Now here are gamification mechanics or our game mechanics. To drive engagement, we embed the following game mechanics. XP and levels. Learner earns experience points by completing tasks. Badges for milestone like Grammar Hero or Vocabulary Master. Leaderboards to spark friendly competition. Avatars. Students create and upgrade characters. Rewards. Digital perks, stickers, or even homework passes. Or boss quest. Weekly group tasks or speaking challenges that encourage collaboration. Now these elements aren't just for fun. They provide structure, feedback, and sense of achievement. We have here our sample activities. We balance synchronous and asynchronous activities for variety and accessibility. Live sessions include role-play mission in breakout rooms, grammar games via Kahoot or Bluekit, collaborative boss battle through speaking or quizzes. Now for independent tasks, we have quizzes through quizzes, story building on Google Slides, listening tasks via Edpuzzle, short writing mission through Google Classroom, vocabulary treasure hunt using mobile apps. This blended approach supports different learning styles and allows students to engage at their own pace. For our assessment strategy, of course, we have formative assessment and summative assessment. For formative assessment, we have XP tracks participation, badges celebrate milestones, reflection log supports metacognition. And for summative, we have a final narrative writing task describing their language adventure, a speaking presentation, a mission report to a fictional language council, a fun gamified quiz exam with leaderboards. Here, assessment isn't about fear or failures. It's about growth, effort, and real-world communication. Pedagogical justification. Why gamification? Because it works, and it's backed by research. As mentioned earlier, Dickey and Ryan's emphasizes intrinsic motivation, and Krashen's input hypothesis supports the idea of learning through meaningful exposure, what he calls comprehensible input. The adventure-based theme makes abstract grammar and vocabulary concrete and memorable, while the structure ensures learners are always working slightly above their current level, encouraging natural acquisition. Additionally, mobile-assisted language learning or MAL principles are embedded through apps like Duolingo and Edpasos, extending learning beyond the classroom. 21st century skills. Now in this module, we will hit some important 21st century skills like critical thinking through strategy-based challenges, collaboration in team quest and group projects, creativity in writing tasks and avatar creation, and digital literacy through seamless tech integration. It is a holistic, modern approach to language learning. To wrap these things up, Quest for Fluency isn't just a gamified gimmick. It is a research-informed, learner-centered module that makes language learning joyful, purposeful, and effective. It empowers students not just to learn English, but to love learning it. So that's all for our today's video. Thank you for watching.